Have you ever faced a situation where your search results just don't seem to match your expectations? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with ElasticSearch regarding different result ordering for simple requests and aggregation requests. I understand how confusing it can be when you get different results for similar queries. You're not alone in this. Many users encounter discrepancies between summary results and concrete results in ElasticSearch. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do I get different result ordering for my summary and concrete requests in ElasticSearch?" They have a search page with two types of results: summary results showing the top 3 per category, and concrete results showing all results for a selected category. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So, what could be causing this difference in result ordering? When you use aggregations, ElasticSearch may return results with the same score, leading to unexpected sorting. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's happening. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you achieve consistent ordering in your ElasticSearch results. To achieve consistent result ordering between the summary and concrete result requests, the user should first ensure that the scoring mechanism is aligned. This can be done by adjusting the query parameters in the aggregation request. Next, the user should consider adding a secondary sorting criterion to the aggregation results. This can help differentiate results that have the same score. Additionally, the user can increase the precision of the scoring by fine-tuning the boost values for the fields in the aggregation request. This can help in differentiating results more effectively. Finally, the user should test the modified aggregation request to ensure that the results are now ordered consistently with the concrete results. This may involve running several queries and comparing the outputs. Did you know? ElasticSearch was originally developed for full-text search, but it has evolved into a powerful analytics engine. It's amazing how far it's come. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that the original query has issues with the use of must and should clauses. They suggest moving the should query outside of the must to allow ElasticSearch to score documents correctly. Additionally, they recommend using the explain parameter to better understand scoring results. To achieve consistent result ordering, the user suggests reorganizing the query to utilize the boosting capabilities of the should clause effectively. They provide 2 example queries that demonstrate this improved structure. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always ensure your scoring and sorting mechanisms are aligned between your summary and concrete requests. This one habit can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of how to achieve consistent ordering in your ElasticSearch results. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing your ElasticSearch queries.